The Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission ZVAITWA has arrested former Zimbabwe National War Veterans Association Secretary General and Mhlanga for smuggling T-shirts. Zambia mashoko kuda pakwa inachonekwa former war veterans boss is in hot soup. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda Mnambo Mdani Mhlanga, a current member of the Zambia Politburo, was arrested alongside 9 others, including his son, Perfect Mhlanga, after investigators uncovered a plot to smuggle 17.6 tons of T-shirts into the country disguised as duty-free agricultural imports. According to court documents, the smuggling operation began in October 2024 when HIT Investments Private Limited, represented by Mhlanga's associate Jethro Mavangwa, currently in custody, procured 1,066 cartons of T-shirts from Slovenia. The consignment arrived at the port of Beira in Mozambique, February 2025. In a calculated move to evade import duties, Mavangwa allegedly contracted Secure Freight and Shipping Company in Harare in March 2025 to falsify the bill of lading. The consignee details were changed to Rufaro Nyasha, a private voluntary organization PVO headed by Norest Marara, also now in custody. Marara is accused of fabricating a fraudulent waybill that falsely declared the consignment as a drip irrigation equipment, a category exempt from import duties, and falsely listed a Chinese company as the supplier. The container arrived in Harare on March 23, and by April 23, falsified documents were uploaded into the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority Zimbra system, allowing the shipment to pass without inspection. The scam resulted in a $78,880 revenue loss to the state. The smuggled goods were later transported to Bramfield Farm in Nyabira, owned by Mhlanga. Police recovered the several boxes of T-shirts during a follow-up raid at the property in Westgate, Harare, where they were allegedly being stored by Mhlanga's son. Mhlanga appeared before the Harare Magistrate Court on July 17, 2025 and was granted $300 bail. The matter has been postponed to August 13 for trial. Thomas paripo pangwa inochonekwa a former war vet boss pangwa ino achipinzwa nguva yakoma vinakome section medu zamafungiro emu tulipa mzuri pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.